Fix how to fish crashing on startup. First step, open run and type the following text CLEANMG or click OK. Select the drive. Select the files you are going to delete. If you are not aware of the files means you need to click view files and verify it. Once the verification complete after, click OK and click delete files. Next step, open device manager. Click it. Click display adapters and check the drivers. Depends on the device, it may vary, so you need to check the drivers here. After checking, go to the official website of the drivers, download and install the latest version. That is one method. And the next method, you can right click the driver, click update driver, close it. Next step, turn off hardware acceleration GPU scheduling. Click settings, click system settings, click display settings, click graphics. Under advanced graphics settings, you need to disable the hardware acceleration GPU scheduling. If it's on means you need to turn off it. It's important settings. Then move on with next step. Open task manager. Click the startup apps. If you are using more number of startup apps means sometimes the error will occur. So you need to disable. Important thing, don't disable the inbuilt application. If you are not aware of the application means don't disable it. Next step, open run and type the following text sysdm.cpl. Click OK. Click advanced. Click settings. Click advanced. Click changes and enable the automatic manage paging file size for all drives. Enable it, then click OK. Click apply and OK and click restart now. Once the restart complete after, move on with next step. Open this PC, right click it, make sure you have enough memory space, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Recommended 10 to 20 GB free space is recommended, so make sure it, close it, then move on with next step. Click settings, click Windows Update and check for update. If there is any update pending having means you need to download and install it. Thank you.